Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'll guide you through how you can make a Roblox shirt. Having a Roblox shirt is really cool because it means you can wear your own stuff, but it also means that you can make Robux from selling it. The first thing you need to do is just head to Roblox on the website. What you then need to do is go to the top and tap on Create. Now, when you tap on Create and then click on Dashboard at the top, and then we're going to click on Avatar Items. After you've clicked on Avatar Items, you then need to go and click on Shirts. You may be wondering what the difference between a t-shirt and a shirt is. Well, a t-shirt is just where you go and upload an image, and a shirt is where you can go and fully design it. You can create hoodies, add textures and things like that, so shirts are a lot more advanced. After you've selected shirts, then what you need to do is tap on Upload Asset. Don't worry if you're thinking, I haven't even gone and created one yet. It's all good, we'll sort you out. Once you're on Upload Asset, we can then go and tap on Learn More. You'll get taken to this page here called Classic Clothing, and this is basically an article and everything about clothes. Scroll down to T-shirts and pants, and here are the templates we actually need. In this case here, because we want to go and create a shirt, we want to use this one here. This one is for arms, which means it's for shirts. So what you need to do is simply go and click on this image, and as you can see, it has just gone straight into my downloads folder. Now what we need to do is go and edit it and go and customize our own shirt. So for this, we are going to use an online free software. So if you go and open up a new tab and search for something called Photopea, and then if you click on photopea.com, it will take you to the right website. So once you're on here, you need to go and tap on Open from Computer. Your File Explorer will open, and what you need to do is go and click on the template that we just downloaded. So there it is in our downloads folder. I've just selected it, and then if we tap open it, it's now going to upload and open, and here it is. So what we are now going to do is we are now going to head over to the left, and what you need to do is grab the rectangle select. Once you've selected this selection tool, we now need to go and remove the coloured blocks. So what we can do is just go and grab one of these top corners here, for example, then hold your mouse button and drag. And as you can see, we're now selecting the boxes. So all you want to do is go and select the whole area like this and then let go. And as you can see, it's now got lines around it, which means this is the area that we've just selected. And if you then go and press on the delete button, as you can see, it then deletes it. So after you've gone and deleted this area, then go and select the other area. We need to go and then do the up and down part as well. So I'm just placing my cursor at the top, and then I'm going to go and drag down like so. As that area is now selected, I'm then going to press the delete button again. And then, so now I'm going to go and repeat selecting the areas for the right arm and the left arm, and there we go. We are now ready to start adding some textures. So to add textures, what we're going to do is we're going to go and open up a new tab in Google, and I'm going to type in the search bar, like we want shirt textures. So we're going to hit search, and then we're going to tap on images. And then as you can see, we've got all these different textures that have come up. So I'm just going to have a scroll through, find the one I like. I think this one looks quite cool. So I'm going to click on it, and then what I'm going to do is right click on it, tap save image, and go and save it in my downloads. And there it is, all saved, ready for when I need it. So now I'm going to head back to Photopea and then go to the top left and click. So I'm going to click on File, I'm going to press Open and Place, and then go and find what I just downloaded, double click on it and press Open. And then when you first bring it into Photopea, it's going to be on top of our template. So what we then want to do is press on this icon that looks like there's a few layered papers, and this then shows us our different layers that we've got. And then what we want to do is grab our t-shirt fabric layer and drag it below the background layer, just so that we can keep it within our template. Then make sure you've got the layer selected like I do here, and then go to the top left and press on transform controls. And then we can go and change the size of it, and then grab one of the squares so we can go and change the size of it. And I want to make sure that this fills up everything. And then what you can do is drag it into the right size. What I would recommend is that you keep these bottom squares empty. As you can see, they are in the checkered area, which means that they're basically transparent. So when we go and put this onto Roblox, we can then go and have our hands here, because of course at the end of your hoodie or whatever you're wearing, there is going to be some kind of skin showing. So I like to go and keep those free, and then once you're happy with it, you can then go and tap on the tick button. And then you can also go and turn off transform controls in the top left. And so you guys, this is just the start of your shirt. Now what you can do is start adding more textures, maybe add some text. So just go over to the top left and tap on the text tool. You can also draw things on it as well. As I said, you can literally do anything you want. So one thing I'm going to go and do is add some initials. So I'm going to add a picture I created earlier of my initials. So once again, I'll tap on file and then press open and place. I'll tap on open just like that, and there my initials are. And then once again, I'm going to go and resize it just so that it fits right. I'm going to have it quite small, and just like we did it before, once you finish moving an image, go and tap on the confirm button in the top. And then that's it, guys. So of course you can go and add so much more if you want to, but I'm just going to keep it nice and simple for this tutorial. So once you're finished and you want to put it on Roblox, then what you can do is go to the top left and tap on file, and then you want to go and tap on export, and you want to make it a JPEG. So just so we can keep our skin tone in any areas you wanted it. So I'll press a JPEG, and then that's how it's going to look. And then you can go and name it if you'd like, but you don't have to. Just tap on save like this, and then you can see it has appeared in our downloads folder. So now what you want to do is head back to Roblox, and you need to come back to the create page. And then what you want to do is tap on upload assets like this. And then what you can do is go and tap on upload again here, and then go and find the shirt you just downloaded from Photopea. Highlight it and tap open, and there it is. So now if I go and scroll down, you can go and name it. So I'm going to name mine GM2, and then you can add a description if you'd like. I'm not going to, but if you want to, you're more than welcome to. And what you can do is go and tap on upload. It will cost you 10 Robux, but that's fine. I think if you've got premium, it's free. So I tap there, then press upload, and then there we go. It's now uploading. If you now right click and press view on Roblox, and then click on your name at the top, and it will take you to your profile. If you then click on creations, and there you go, you can see your creation. If you open your creation, you can go and tap it to on sale if you'd like to. You just need to add your price and then press publish. Click on this person icon, and then you can change your avatar into your new creation. And that's it. You can go and wear and enjoy your shirt. And of course, as I showed you before, with your creation being on sale, you can start earning Robux from it if you get any sales. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video on how to make a Roblox shirt. If you guys like this video, if it helped you out, if you could hit the like and the subscribe button, it means so much to us, and we really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.